Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice rapid red metallic coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package, tow and haul package, and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, your tow hitch, your backup camera, your tailgate step, mud flaps on the rear and front with a nice black platform gripped running board on each side view camera with trailer tow mirrors that have blind spot detection, turn light, and spotlight indicated. And moving to the front, we get a black hood deflector with recovery hooks, front park sensing, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, plenty of door space in the back, floor mats, carpeted interior, we got cup holders and storage, USB-Cs, rear vents, and 120 volt. And of course, you can lift up your seats for additional storage with your split folding rear bench seat. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front with your auto stop, auto start, lights, spotlights, parking brake all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 6.8 kilometers. Got this nice leather wrapped steering wheel with your toggle free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking under screen here, we have my view, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select that is collapsible storage, cup holders, more storage here with some outlets, your leather wrap center console with even more storage underneath. We have our drive modes, rear locking diff, and four-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, with heated front seats, dual climate. We got 12 volt and 120 storage above, below, and on the dash. And we do get a nice rear opening window, which is pretty nice. Your park assist that you can turn on or off, which is just your park sensing. And you got your hazard traction, nice 360 view of the vehicle. Looking here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. We got our phone controls, your navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, zone lighting, Wi-Fi, all that jazz. Any apps you may download will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We got your settings just right here. Just your normal vehicle settings, and you do get little widgets on the side here as well, so you can keep your navigation open and your audio open at the same time. Features of the vehicle, which is all pretty handy. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KF03526, and you can head on out to PG Ford or give us a call.